how to enable Secure Boot on a Dell PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on Secure Boot on your Dell computer. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So in order to enable Secure Boot, we need to first get into the BIOS. And the easiest way that I found to get into the BIOS on our Dell laptop is to first put it in recovery mode. We can easily do that by simply going down to the Windows Start button, selecting the power icon, and then before we select anything else, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While you're holding the Shift key, select Restart on your keyboard and just keep holding the Shift key until it reboots to a blue screen. You'll see the Dell logo come up. Keep holding the Shift key. All right, once it's turned blue and you see choose an option, you can let go of the Shift key. The first thing we need to do is go to Troubleshoot and then go down and select Advanced Options. From there, select UEFI Firmware Settings and then select Restart, and this will reboot us into the BIOS for our Dell laptop. All right, so then it'll reboot and you'll be in the BIOS here. It might look a little bit different, but you should be able to follow the steps anyways. You're looking for something that says Secure Boot or Security or Boot menu, something like that. For mine, there is an actual Secure Boot, so I'm going to expand that. And then where it says Secure Boot Enable, select that. And we just want to check the box next to Secure Boot Enable. Now, before we can exit, we need to make sure we save this setting. So go down, select Apply, and then go ahead and just select OK. And now that we've applied it, we can select Exit. And once we select Exit, it's just going to reboot the computer and we'll be able to log back in. All right, so once you get logged back in, we can confirm that Secure Boot is actually enabled by going down, selecting the Windows Start button, and then just type System Information and select System Information. Once it comes up, all you need to do is find Secure Boot State, and it should say on next to it. If it says off, you probably didn't save your settings, so make sure you go back, do it again, and save them this time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.